Okay, for my turn, I wanna tell you about point of view. The point of view is first person centered narrator. Montrose is our file narrator. He is dedicated to his own point of view, which is called merciless, brutal, conniving, and forgivable. He doesn't mind telling us about his torture and murder of Firdausi. Indeed, he thinks what he did was the just right way to handle the situation. Given his brutality and insensitivity, it might surprise you to learn that Montresor's point of view also involves poetry and writing. A quick look at Poe's philosophy of fiction writing will help you see how we come to the conclusion. In addition to the idea of sacred writing, which we discussed in WhatsApp, with the title Poe was very concerned with the form in his stories. Should take he wants each story to be a little puzzle. With with all short hidden piece, we have to try to pick out ourselves. You can see that idea in the text structures, the cast. So that's all about the point of view. The conclusion, the point of view for first person is central narrator. Thank you.
Okay, let's continue our material about point of view, the cask of Amontillado. Poe also believed that lyric poetry, or poetry, that is characterized by expression of the poet's innermost feelings, thoughts, and imagination, was the highest form of writing, and he wanted to bring short story writing up to the level of lyric poetry. When we take all that into account, Montresor's confession breakfast begins to look substantially metafictional. Metafiction means that a story or a moment in the story comments on the writing process in some way. It tells us how the author feels about writing. Because Montresor is the guy telling the story, he becomes symbolic of the writer and is likely to have some of the writer habits. And here we mean both the literal writer, in this case, Poe, and the larger sense, any person who drive to express themselves by writing. This isn't necessarily true of all first-person narrative, but in Montresor's case, it's abundantly clear, even if we don't know Poe psychosophy. Thank you. This is the last slide of our material. Thank you for the attention. We are sorry about many mistakes of this material. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.